Hi children, good afternoon everybody. Look here children, we studied the activity 9.2. Let us start recording. This yesterday I showed you. Look here, you can see the different buttons of that, and you know the uses of these. Play button, then stop button, pause button, etc. Then the next here you can see pause button once more. You can use skip to start button to reach the beginning of the recorded poem, and skip it to end button to reach the end of the recorded poem. For the beginning and for the end, you know that children, isn't it? Okay, you understand that the use of these two buttons also. Next, editing poem, editing the poem. Look here children, in that you know what is the meaning of editing. If we made any mistake or it is not suitably recorded, we want to edit that, isn't it? Sometimes our first part of the editing, that means recording, is not their voice, like that any disturbance is there, we want to edit it. Okay, then let us see that how we can edit. Look here children, important point to note, if you don't select the portion for editing, it becomes applicable to the entire portion of the project window. Do you understand? Look here children, we must select the portion where we need to edit. That is the important point there. Here you can see the left channel, right channel, etc. Okay, where is that window? Look here, left channel, right channel. You see that children. Now you can see here little portion here we have a not empty here. Look here children, this portion we don't want here. That means from here itself we are starting the poem. Okay, now our volume is less, that is why you can't hear children. Do you hear now? This way we can adjust the volume also. Okay, look here children, I will make it when you want to hear that, make it maximum. Okay, look here now, let us study how we can edit. First study, we need to study the tools of cut, copy, paste. Okay, before that we can delete. We can use the delete button for deleting this portion. Take the select tool. This is the selection tool that we want to select the portion where we don't want. Okay, select from here onwards and up to here. Up to here only we need to delete children. Okay, I am pressing the delete key. Do you see now that portion deleted? Okay, now we can edit the portions where we need changes. Simply I am showing you to teach you only. I want to cut a portion of this. Look here, first we can hear that so. After that I am stopping here. We need to increase the volume to hear that. Okay, let us increase the volume of the speaker also. This much volume, if we don't want, we can reduce that. Listen here children. That is that you heard. Okay, I am reducing the volume little less and keeping that in constant. You listen the volume how much it is. Okay, in this volume
മറ്റൊന്നുമില്ലാതിരുന്നൊരാ പോയ കാലം
Okay, you keep this volume. I am not changing now the volume from here onwards or anywhere. Okay, I am not changing this volume. Now it is paused. This is the Audacity window only, children. Look here, this much only our volume also. Okay, children, let us study how we can copy. Okay, just I am copying this portion using copy. Okay, next click here, then paste. Do you see now? Here we have some unwanted portions. We can select that and press the delete key. Here little more space also. If we don't want that portion also, we can delete, children. Okay, that we select and delete. Now you have that completely, you can hear together. Let us play. That. Look here, children, this portion is that you can hear there, isn't it, children? Okay, next that is copying and pasting. Cut all of you studied. Next, what we want to study for editing, in the case of editing poem, here one more tool you can see here, children. Trim audio outside the selection. That means what, children? I will show you. Let us select a portion. After that, click here, trim audio. Look here, what is happened? That continuous portion trimmed. Trim means that is lost, cut, trimming. Okay, just we can undo. After finishing, or if you don't want anything, we can undo that, children. Okay, I think all of you understand. This portion is the extra portion, that is why that is not lost. Is it clear now? You can use this way also. The selected portion only you can trim by using silence audio selection. Silence audio in the selection. Okay, that is also I am making undo. These are the tools in this Audacity, children. Okay, next we need to add some effects here, children. How we can add the effects? Let us study. Okay, in your textbook you can see that more effects. How you want to, a certain part of recording has low volume. Can we amplify that? Let us amplify that. Okay, we can amplify that, children. How we can amplify that? Given here. Activity 9.4, giving more effects. Select the portion to be amplified. Choose amplify option in the select menu. Effect menu. Okay. Look, we need to select a portion to amplify. I am selecting this portion, children. Then effect amplify. Okay, amplify. How many decibels we need to amplify is asking here. If we need to amplify little more, that means little more bigger exercise, amplification will be happening. It is not okay now, children. Why? It is said in your textbook. What is that? Why we the OK is not active? Here saying that click OK, intensity set to desired level. What is decibel also given here, children? The murmuring is of 60 decibel and normal talk is amount of 60 decibel. It is 30. Murmuring 30 decibel and 60 decibel is our normal talk. Absolute silence is the 0 decibel. Now if the sound greater than 80 decibels damage our hearing. Look here now, what is saying here, intensity and set the desired level, increase the click OK to apply. Is the OK button not active, the changes you have made in the new peak amplitude may have resulted peak amplitude might have resulted in high amplitude which is not desirable. Hence the OK button will not be active. Do you see? In that case, to avoid distortion of sound, a clipping has to be effected. Activate clipping by putting tick mark to allow clipping. Now the OK button will be active and click apply settings. That means here you can see, children, look here, allow clipping. We don't want that much, that is why I am reducing that, children. Okay, how much more than 9 decibel it is become, it is not active. Look here, up to here only this much. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 4 is okay, no problem. 3.9 up to 4 it is okay, children. Amplification I am making only up to 2 only, children. Look here what is happening. Amplification up to 2.2. Clicking on OK. Look here, children, some changes happened there. Let us hear that one. Some little amplification is happened there, isn't it, children? Just let us amplify little more there. Effects amplify. Okay, little more I am making. 1.84 is here. 11 not active. Okay, 10 point is not active. That is why just we can make it as 4 is not active. 3 is also not good. If allow clipping I select here, it is applicable. 6. Okay, look here, children. New peak amplitude in decibel 4.6. Amplification 6.5. Just click on OK. Look here what is the change, just we can see. Do you hear the change? That is the change, children. I am making undo that, children. Okay, both of that I made undo there. I think all of you understand that amplification, how we can give the amplitude amplification. Okay, amplify means making little more, what we can say, amplifier through the amplifier, how we are hearing according to that. Okay, next we can change pitch, change speed, change tempo. Then all these are the different effects, children. Effects in your textbook, that is given there. In your textbook, some of the effects are given here. After experiencing allow clipping, all this we did. Redo, undo also we can do. Then completing the table, give a different fade in, fade out, then change pitch, change speed, etc. we want to use and complete this table. Let us see that how we want to do that. Okay, we want to take Audacity and select one portion, then add what, children? We need to give a change pitch effects, change pitch. Given here little, I am making little more pitch. Click on OK. Yes, what is happened here? Do you understand? If that is not suitable, that way it will be there. Okay, then we want to undo that. Okay, then in effects, change pitch, little only needs to pitch. Okay. Then just here. Do you understand? That one is here. Okay. Do you understand the change, children? Little change only I made there, children. Like that way. Next one is that what you want to study is there, children. Fade in and fade out. There, fade in and fade out. If I am undoing that, it is in original format. Fx fade in, fade in. Do you see now what is happened? Here, it become silence mode. Silence mode. Look here, just we can hear. That means from silence to original audio level is fade in, but fade out is really the opposite one. Fx fade out. Look here, it is from original to silence. Okay, just play. Do you understand that? From original to silence and silence to original, fade in and fade out. Okay. Next one is change speed. Change speed. I am going to apply, children. Okay. Select that. Fix. What is that? Change pitch and change speed. Change pitch. Just a little more aggressive. Okay. Then also what is happening? Just we can hear. Do you understand now, children, what is happened? Okay, is it clear? Next, change speed means a little more speed is increasing there. Only I gave you that, children, not this way. You do it better. Okay, don't do this way. I am showing you simply. We can't practice that. That is why for understanding you I made this way, children. Okay, these are the activities of this lesson. Is it clear, children?